If you're looking to create some great Halloween themed content and videos, you can't go wrong with using Filmora's video editor. I'm using Filmora 14 right now, and there is a ton of Halloween themed content that you can use to add to your videos. So for example, this clip I've added in here is right within the built-in stock media. So I just do a search for Halloween and I get a ton of clips that I can use. So you can scroll through and find whichever clip you want to add to your video, to your timeline, and just drag it in there and to use. If I go in the title section, there's a whole section related to Halloween. And so if I want to add a cinematic opening, for example, I might drag this one onto my timeline. And then before my clip starts, I've got that nice cinematic effect. And of course, I can adjust the title of this so it doesn't have to say Halloween party. I can put whatever text that I want. And on top of that, there are also Halloween themed transitions that you can add. So for example, if I want to add bats or one of these other Halloween transitions in there. So if I drag this one into my timeline, it's going to download that content, and then I can use that as a way to effectively transition and still have a Halloween themed transition in there, as opposed to just using perhaps a more generic one. So now that gives me yet another way to add even more Halloween themed content into my video. So now if I play this, now I've got my nice Halloween themed transition. So really a lot of content you can use, and not just clips. You've got transitions, all those things. And if that's not enough for you, you can also go to stickers, Halloween themed stickers. So you can add ghosts, you can add jack-o'-lanterns, skeletons, whatever you want. Let's say add this blood effect into here. We can put that as well. So easily add these effects to any type of videos that you have, just to make them, you know, spookier if you want to, but a lot of different options for how you can add content. Also a lot of Halloween themed titles. You know, this one has a nice fire effect to it. So if I drag this onto my timeline here, and let's say on top of all my other effects here, you know, I've got that nice fire effect and the word Halloween. And again, customizable, we can change this to whatever we want. Now, if that's still not enough for you, the really cool thing about this is if we go to stickers, you can use an AI sticker generator where you type in a prompt and Filmora's AI will create a sticker based on your description. Similarly, on the audio side, there's an AI sound effect feature. So these are some sounds that I generated through the AI in previously, and I can still use them in my clip today. So for example, if I click on one of these, it'll preview what these sound like. So as you can see, a lot of creepy, potentially Halloween themed sounds that you can add easily to Filmora. So between giving you a cinematic opening, giving you stickers, giving you transitions, and also audio, I mean, you can realistically create an entire Halloween themed video right within Filmora without having to use any other resources. So it's a really cool way to utilize the resources that are already in here. So you can search for whatever sort of content you need for your Halloween themed video and find it right here within Filmora. Or, you know, if it's not built in, you can use the AI generators to generate stickers, generate audio. So a great place, a great software to use if you want to create Halloween videos, but maybe you're lacking some content or want to add to your video to make it stand out even more. So a lot of resources and assets to use in Filmora that can make your videos a whole lot better. So it's worth checking out and upgrading to the latest version of Filmora and Filmora 14, because there's a ton of assets that you can use that'll make your videos look great.